Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trading bot on TradingView. We'll cover everything from developing your strategy to connecting with a broker and continuously optimizing your bot's performance. This guide will help you automate your trading decisions effectively and efficiently, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your financial goals. Let's dive into the steps. Developing your trading strategy is the core of your bot. TradingView's Pine script language allows you to code custom indicators and strategies. You'll define precise entry and exit points, along with essential risk management rules like stop loss and take profit levels. Remember to backtest your strategy extensively with historical data to ensure it performs as expected before live deployment. Once your strategy is ready, the next step is connecting your bot to a brokerage. TradingView doesn't directly execute trades, so you'll use a third-party service or a webhook to bridge the gap. You'll configure API keys with your broker and set up alerts in TradingView. These alerts will send signals to the automation service, which then executes trades on your behalf, ensuring seamless automation. Setting up your bot is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring and optimization are crucial. Regularly review performance metrics like profit and loss, and adjust your strategy's parameters as market conditions change. Staying informed about market trends will help you make informed decisions. Remember, even the best bots require occasional adjustments to maintain their effectiveness and ensure long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.